Guys, welcome back. Johnny here, and in today's video I want to share with you my buys for this week. I did put $100 into the account, and I wanted to show you some of the new stocks that I picked up. Now, for everyone that just wants to really quick know some of the stocks that I picked up recently, we'll go ahead and start. Let's start with the deposit. Obviously, right here of $100 on the 22nd, I went ahead and bought Ford for $19.34. I bought 2 shares of that. On August 20th, I bought XXII to average down my cost for that. ELY, or Callaway Golf, I bought that. ARTX, I did buy a share of that. MWA, I bought a share of that. BLFS, I did buy a share of that and realized it was not a good share to buy into. Lost about $2 and sold. Now, it was a speculative stock that I wanted to invest in. But, I'll still keep my eye on it. You never know. Also bought a limit buy of AUY and AMD. Have a bunch of pending dividends here. As you can see, I am up $23 or almost 6% in 3 months. Up $9.63 or 2.33% in 1 month. And up 4.64% in a week, or 1%. Now, I was up almost 2% here for the week. Had a slight drawback because of the $2 loss on the speculative stock. But real quick, XXII, I do have 6 shares of that right now. I have 1 share of ROYT, 2 shares of AUY, 1 share of ARTX, 1 share of ZNGA, 1 share of CHK, 1 share of S or Sprint, 1 share of SIRI, 3 shares of F or Ford, 2 shares of GLAD, 1 share of MWA, 3 shares of GAIN, and GAIN, GLAD, and CHY are all monthly paying stocks. RUN, 1 share. LADR, 1 share. APLE, 1 share. NRZ, 1 share. AGNC, AMD, ELY, T or AT&T, PFE, and O. So that's what I am currently holding on to right now. As far as my watch list goes, I am watching DNR. I've been watching DNR since it was at about $1 mark. It's now at $5. No, I did not invest heavily in this stock, although I should have. Also looking at Maine, which is one of my strong buy videos. I'll probably be buying this company on the next cycle to buy stocks. General Mills is also on my list for my watch list. EPR Properties, ABV or ABBV, Microsoft or MSFT, and Apple AAPL. Now, these are also all on my watch list. I do want to buy these stocks coming up, and a lot of them are on the strong buy list. Now, if I haven't done a strong buy on one of these particular stocks, please look out for it, because that will be coming soon, and then I will be changing the entire watch list the following week. I never keep the same companies on the same watch list. If I buy them that week, I buy them. If not, I move on. If I'm very interested in it, you'll see it linger here for a minute, but for the most part, it'll end up in my portfolio. Now, I do like to add to my portfolio. I do like to average down. As you can see, I could show you some of my total gains and losses. Now, because I averaged down on XXII today, I was able to gain 4 cents instead of being down 3 or 4 cents. Now, I'm getting some of the cool different aspects of averaging down, as well as getting some of the profits when it rallies up. ROYT, I'm up 7 cents. AUY, I'm down 42 cents. I could buy a few more shares of that once it gets down to a certain point. ARTX, I am down only 4 cents. Zynga, I am up 13 cents. Chesapeake Energy, I'm up 6 cents. Sprint, I'm up 59 cents. Siri Radio, I'm up 14 cents. Ford, I have 3 shares. I'm only down $1.33. Now that's a potential to buy a few more shares. They did have a recall recently on a lot of vehicles, but hey, it's Ford. They're going to rally from that. Glad, 2 shares. I'm up $1.17. MWA, I am up 14 cents. Even though they were down today, should be up tomorrow or weeks to come. Gain, I am up 54, almost 55 cents, and they pay dividends as well. Monthly CHY, I am up 31 cents. RUN, I'm only down about 57 cents. LADR, I'm up 52 cents. APLE, now I am down 44 cents, but I have gotten a few 10 cents per month dividends from this company, so it is a good company to invest in if you want some monthly dividends. NRZ, I'm up 38 cents. AGNC, I'm up 16 cents. AMD, I'm already up 33 cents, and I bought that today this morning. ELY, I'm up 20 cents. I also bought that today this morning. T or ATT is $1.61 profit. PFE, good company to get involved in when there's a dip, buy more. I'm up $4.77, and O Realty, I'm up 77 cents while them paying a dividend as well. So I do have a lot of good gains in this little portfolio. A lot of people say it's speculative, it's risky, this and that. It may be, but I guarantee you, if you get into Zynga and Chesapeake Energy, Siri, Ford, Glad, Gain, any of these companies, they're not only making money, they have eyes of investors, and they are on some of the most popular of 25 and under stocks on Robinhood. So that's what I really enjoy. I like people that are looking at it a lot. I like positive earnings. I like a low PE ratio, and I like a dividend yield. If there's not a dividend yield, then I look at some of the capital gains and growth that they can get from that and go from there. But that's what's in my portfolio. That's what I have added to it, and that's what I have for the week. If I can continue to get 1% per week, I don't mind that at all. That's roughly $16. About $20 if you count the growth and all of that in dividends per month. That's a good start. If I can get to $1,000, like recently, I was able to do $28 per day, which was quite substantial. And I took the money out for other investment ventures, which I'm grateful for. But I can't wait to get this back up to 1,000. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Show me some love. It really does help with my channel. And like and subscribe. Smash the little bell so you don't miss anything. And overall, leave a comment. If you want me to do a video on any kind of stock, anything related to the stock market, investing, money, budgeting, cryptocurrency, let me know in the description and I can do that for you guys. Alright, you have a great day and a good trading.